Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing the Yaheetech Portable Massage Table, a versatile and affordable option for professionals and home users alike. Product Overview. The Yaheetech Portable Massage Table is designed for convenience and comfort. It features a foldable structure that transforms into a compact carrying case, making it ideal for therapists on the move and for home use. The table offers adjustable height with 8 different positions, allowing customization to suit various treatments. It also includes an adjustable backrest, headrest, and armrests, all designed for user comfort. Usage experience. Setting up the Yaheetech massage table is straightforward and requires no tools. Simply unfold the bed, and the legs automatically extend. Attaching the included accessories is quick, resulting in a fully functional, portable massage bed in no time. Users have noted its ease of setup and portability, making it suitable for both professional and home settings. Performance. In practice, the Yaheetech massage table performs admirably. The sturdy aluminum alloy frame and durable plastic support ensure stability during use. The cushion, filled with soft sponge and covered in smooth PVC leather, provides a comfortable experience for clients. Users have reported that the table holds up well under various conditions, including extended use and accommodating clients of varying sizes. Pros and cons. Pros: portability. The foldable design and lightweight construction make it easy to transport and store. Adjustability. Multiple height and backrest adjustments cater to different treatment needs. Comfort. The cushioned surface offers a comfortable experience for clients. Cons: weight capacity. While the table supports up to 250 kilograms, 551.2 pounds, statically, some users have noted that it may not be suitable for very heavy clients. Assembly. Some users have mentioned that the table requires 2 people to set up, as it doesn't snap into place to stay open. Comparisons. Compared to other massage tables in its price range, the Yaheetech model stands out for its combination of portability, adjustability, and comfort. While higher-end tables may offer additional features or higher weight capacities, the Yaheetech table provides excellent value for its price. Value for money. Considering its features and performance, the Yaheetech Portable Massage Table offers good value for money. It's an affordable option for those seeking a reliable and comfortable massage table without a hefty price tag. Build quality. The table is constructed from quality materials, including an aluminum alloy frame and durable PVC leather covering. The cushion is filled with soft foam, providing comfort during use. Users have reported that the table is sturdy and holds up well over time. User-friendliness. The Yaheetech massage table is designed with user convenience in mind. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and transport. The adjustable features are simple to operate, and the table requires no tools for setup. Customer support. Yaheetech offers customer support through their official website, providing assistance with product inquiries and after-sales service. Real-world testing. In real-world scenarios, the Yaheetech massage table has been used for various treatments, including massages and tattoo sessions. Users have reported that it remains stable and comfortable during extended use. Updates. As of now, there are no significant updates or changes to the Yaheetech Portable Massage Table. Final verdict. The Yaheetech Portable Massage Table is a solid choice for those seeking a portable, adjustable, and comfortable massage table at an affordable price. It's suitable for both professionals and home users. Target audience. This table is ideal for massage therapists, estheticians, and individuals seeking a reliable massage table for home use. Longevity. Users have reported that the table holds up well over time, maintaining its comfort and stability with regular use. Alternative options. If you're considering alternatives, there are other portable massage tables available at similar price points. It's advisable to compare features, build quality, and customer reviews to find the best fit for your needs. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content or allow others to find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you own it already.